Hello students, today our topic is elephant head. For that you require one origami paper, fabric and pencil. So let's start. If you have a one side color paper, one side white paper, then you have to keep the white paper up. Then you have to hold the paper like this way. Then you have to fold from the middle, so you will get the triangle shape. Corner to corner, edge to edge, you have to join the paper like this way, and then you have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now again you have to fold from the middle like this way, and you have to give the crease. Now we have to do the sline folding. Now what is a sline folding? We have to do the sline folding from both the side. So I'm just give you the idea what is a sline folding. I just draw the line over here. Can you see this is line? From this line I will fold the paper from right side like this way. See, like this way I am folding the paper from the towards right side. Now from here also I will fold the paper toward left side like this way. This is the sline folding, and now I'm giving the crease. Now can you see this part? Can you see this line? From this line I will folding from like this way, so I will see the gap. You can see the gap over here, see, because we are making head, so this is the gap. Okay, now what I will do now, I will take this part downside like this way. So our elephant head is ready. Now give the crease properly. Now what you have to do, now here you have to do fan folding. Fan folding means what? You have to take this part up, then again fold the strip, again fold the strip, mountain fold and valley fold you have to do like this way, like this way. So our elephant head is ready. Now what we will do, with help of the fabric, I will stick this part. I will stick this part over here like this way. Now we'll draw the eyes. So our elephant head is ready. See this way. Now I'll put my finger inside. See, so see my elephant head is ready. Now you can give the background and you have to stick on it. Thank you.